Good morning children. Let's see now today what is remainder. Okay, suppose if there is a number 17 divided by 3. 17 divided by 3. Let's find the answer by repeated subtraction. Repeated subtraction. So now we have to repeatedly minus this divisor from this number. 7 minus 3, 4, and this is 1. So this is 1 time. Now again from this 14 you will minus 3. 4 minus 3, 1, and this is 1. So this is second time. Again from 11 we will minus 3. So if you borrow, we cannot minus, so we will borrow, so it will be 11 only. So 11 minus 3, it will be 8. So this is third time. Again 8 minus 3, 8 minus 3, 5, and this is the fourth time. Again here 5 minus 3, here we get 2. So this is the fifth time. We have minus fifth time. Now this 2, from 2 we cannot minus 3, okay, because the divisor 3 is bigger than this number. Okay, so we are getting here remainder 2. So we are getting the balance. This is called the remainder. So when you divide, in the end you get the number that is smaller than the divisor. Okay, so that is the remainder. Okay, even you may, if it is completely divided, you will get 0. Okay, 0 is smaller than the divisor. Okay, so 0 also is a remainder. You cannot say 0 is not a remainder. 0 also is a remainder. Okay, that way you get the any number at the end which is smaller than the divisor, that is the remainder. Okay, it can be 0 also. Okay, now let's see the long division method. Okay, let's see these two in long division method. Long division method is, we use this symbol and find the long division method. Here this is the dividend and this is the divisor. Dividend we write inside and the divisor we write it on the left side. Okay, the answer you will write on the top and the question you will write on the top, and after dividing that multiples, no, you will write it here. Okay, now 7 you have to 42 you have to divide by 7. So to find that, first what you have to do means, some of you will know by heart multiplication table, but for others it is difficult. So I think it is a beginning for you, so many of you will finding it difficult. So better I am telling, all must write in the rough. You have to write the table in a shortcut. Already I have given you the table tricks that you can use it. That will be it will take less time. Okay, so you can write shortcut. No need to write 7 ones are 7 into 1 7, not like that. Just like this: 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, 7 fives are 35, 7 6 are 42, 7 sevens are 49, 7 8s are 56, 7 9s are 63. I think you can see, the last part only you are not able to see, I think. So up to 9 you have to write the table in shortcut, like this way you write it. Okay, so now you see, first we will take 4, but 4 is smaller than the divisor. 4 is smaller than the divisor, so you cannot divide. Otherwise you can see 4, you have to see whether 4 is coming here. 4 is not here. 7 only is here. Okay, so 4 is not here. So you have to take now 2 together, 42. So now you have to check whether 42 is here or what. 42 is here, so you will write it here. 42 is here, so you will write it here. You have to check whether this number is there, otherwise smaller than that number, any number is there, you have to check. Okay, we have 42, so I am writing 42 here, and 42 is how many times? It is 6 times, so that 6 you will write here. Okay, now after writing, now you have to minus. 2 minus 2 0, 4 minus 4 0. So we have got 0 here. So this 0 is the remainder. Remainder shortcut I am writing R, and this 6 is the quotient. Okay, and this is the divisor. Okay, last you have to take and write the answer, that is important. quotient equal to, just you can write Q, quotient equal to 6 and remainder equal to 0. This is compulsory how to take and write the answer. Don't leave it just with a calculation. Okay, now let's do this one. 45 divide by 9. 45 divide by 9. Same way, let's write the table here. Shortcut. 9 ones are 9. This you have to write in the rough. Okay, I am just, there is no rough space, so I am writing here. So you can write it in the rough. 9 ones are 9. 9 twos are 18. 9 threes are 27. 9 fours are 36. 9 fives are 45. 9 6 are 54. 9 sevens are 63. 9 8s are 72. 9 9s are 81. Up to 9 enough. Okay, now you have to see 4 whether 4 is here. 4, otherwise smaller than 4 must be here. But here the smaller number is 9. Okay, so smaller than 9 there is no number. So 4 will not go in 9. So you will take now the number together 45. So you have to check whether 45 is here or not. So 45 is here. So you will write 45. Okay, now 45 is how many times? It is 5 times. So that you will write here on the top. Okay, now you have to minus after writing 5 minus 5 0, 4 minus 4 0. So this 0 is the remainder and this 5 is the quotient. Okay, so now we will take and write the answer. Quotient is 5 and the remainder is 0. This is how you have to take and write the answer. Okay, now let's see the division with the remainder. Okay, now 25 divide by 3. So dividend is inside, divisor is on the left side. So let's write the 3 table. I am giving in a shortcut. Already I have taught you the same method. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and here 0. So first row 0, second row 1, third row 2 and here 3. So this is 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 6 are 18, 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24, 3 nines are 27, 3 tens are 30. Okay, now we have to see whether 2 is here or smaller than 2. Here the smaller number is, okay, here the smaller number is 3, smaller than 2 there is no number. Okay, so we will take now 25 together. So we have to check whether 25 is here. 25 is not here. Okay, 24 is there, 27 is there, but 25 is not there. So you will see smaller than 25 which number is there. 27 is bigger than 25 and 24 is smaller, 21 also is smaller. You cannot take any number smaller than this number. Just before this number which is smaller. Okay, just before this number which that is 24. Okay, this 21 is, it goes more than that. Okay, long distance. Okay, this is the nearer small one. Okay, nearer to this number, that is small one. So we will take 24. So let's write 24 here. Okay, now 24 is how many times it is? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So this is 8 times. So that 8 we will write here. Okay, now we have to minus 5 minus 4 1, 2 minus 2 0. So we have got the remainder 1. So here quotient is 3, remainder is 1. So this is the answer. Okay, now we will learn checking division. Okay, we can check our division whether our answer is correct or not. We can check. There is a formula for that you have to by heart. All must know. I will ask even in the fill in the blanks. Okay, so that formula is dividend equal to divisor into quotient. You can write quotient into divisor, otherwise divisor into quotient. Anyway you can write. Okay, this two you have to multiply. Again, after multiplying with that, you have to plus the remainder. Okay, dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay, so divisor and quotient you have to multiply. With that answer, you have to plus the remainder. So when you plus, you will get that the second answer what you are getting. This is the one answer you will get, and again after adding you will get the other answer. So that answer must be equal to the dividend. If it is equal to the dividend, then your answer is correct. If you are not getting the dividend, then your answer is wrong. Okay, now we have done the division. So let's check whether our answer is correct or not. Okay, so dividend equal to, so let's write equal divisor into quotient. Okay, so here let's first write what is divisor and dividend. Okay, dividend is, which is the dividend here, 25. Inside one is the dividend. Okay, so 25 is the dividend. Again divisor, divisor is what? On the right side one is the divisor. Again quotient, you have to write in full sentence. Okay, full all spelling you have to write. Okay, quotient is on the top one, 8, and the remainder, remainder is the down one, that is 1. So this is the thing we have got. Now we will check with the answer. Okay, so if I write down, you can't see, so I am writing in the sideways, but you write it down. Okay, dividend equal to, dividend equal to divisor into quotient. So divisor is 3 into quotient, quotient is 8. So this 2 you have to multiply with this, you have to plus the remainder, remainder. So remainder is 1, you have to plus. First you will multiply, then only will plus. So 3 8s are 24. You must know the multiplication table. Again we have got this, then with this you will plus the remainder 1. So 24 plus 1, 25. So now 25 is what? It is the dividend. So 25 is the dividend. We have got the dividend. Through this formula, using this formula, we have got the dividend. So hence the answer is verified. You have to finish the answer like this. Hence the answer is verified. You cannot complete with this. Okay, you have to perfect. This is the presentation, how to present it. This is important. This is the way how to do. Hence the answer is verified. This much you have to write. Don't think it will take time. Okay, this is the thing. It will look that you know very well. You know very well maths like that. If you write only shortcut like that, means just you have managed, tried hard, your level best to write like that, it will look. Okay, so presentation is important to show that you know something. Okay, so this is how to verify the answer. Okay, so there is in the exercise, first one, use the long division method and find the question. This is the first sum what I had explained. So that way you just find the question. Okay, they have not asked the remainder, just they are asking the question. So find the question. Again this one, divide as directed and find the remainder. Okay, this one let me explain. This groups of 8, you have to, only one I will explain, others you will do. Groups of 8, you have to divide this one. So groups of 8, 1 2 3 4. Okay, again 5 7 8. So this is one group. Again 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. This is, there are 6 and plus 2. Okay, two groups we have got, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So only this 2 is left. We cannot make a group of 8. Okay, so we have got two groups. So here you have to write how many groups. So it is a 2 groups. Again, how many apples left? So how many apples left? 2 are left. Okay, so you can, anyway you can group. Okay, it is not compulsory that you have to mark it like that. You can mark it anyway. Okay, so this is the way how to complete this sum. This one is find the question and remainder. Okay, this is that first one like that you will do, but here you will get the remainder. Sometimes the remainder can be 0 also. So since you have got 0, you cannot say there is no remainder. 0 is a remainder. Okay, so just do the same way. First sum, after dividing, just take and write the question and the remainder. This is like that. Again here you will divide. You will after dividing you have to find the question and remainder. Like this sum you will do. After completing finding the question and remainder, you have to verify the answer. Just last one I have taught now how to do using that formula. You have to use that formula and verify the answer. After verifying, you can write just hence the answer is verified. That way you have to complete the answer. Okay, so this is with these 4 sums you can do as your homework. Thank you.